I recently went to the HIMSS conference in Las Vegas, and while I was there, I stopped by Philips' booth to get some demos of their new technology to see what these systems might look like in practice, to see what it might look like for a clinician to use them. And here are one of the recordings of those demos that I saw. This is Marco Janssen. He's a portfolio manager of clinical informatics at Philips, and he is showing us how their integrated diagnostic system works. This system links the images to the report, and you'll get a little bit better idea of that here.
We are here at Philips Integrated Diagnostics. Philips approaches the diagnostics in an integrated way with three pillars: unify the data, streamline the workflows, and scaling with AI. And it's really to help the medical professionals, radiology, pathology, but also the diagnostic and treating physician to come to a diagnosis as soon as possible and to select the optimal treatment. We're here looking at a screen of a lung cancer patient case, radiology images in the center, the radiology report on the right-hand side, and one of the innovations here is the link between the images and the report. So instead of just scrolling through the images, which we typically are used to do in a PACS imaging archive, in the radiology report you can click one of these findings and you immediately go to a key image. That already saves a lot of time saving for the radiologist, but also time saving for other members of that care team of this patient. Based on the finding where in the lungs did the radiologist identify a lesion, within Philips Integrated Diagnostics, you can also go to other diagnostic information, in this case, a short video capture of the biopsy procedure. The biopsy obviously goes to the next person in line, the pathologist. The pathologist needs to analyze the tissue. Are there any signs of lung cancer? What type of cancer tissue is it? And come to a diagnosis from a pathology perspective. So instead of the pulmonologist going into the radiology archive to access the radiology report, going into the pathology system to access the pathology report, Philips Integrated Diagnostics, you click once on the pathology exam, and with one click you access the pathology images as well. So with one click you go from radiology, what did radiology see, into the pathology view, the pathology images, the pathology report. What did radiology see, up to what did the pathologist confirm? What is malignant in this tissue? Where is the lung cancer tissue observed? And this is really being used not only by the radiologist and the pathologist, also by the pulmonologist and the oncologist. So Philips Integrated Diagnostics unifies the data, streamlines the workflow, and scales the insights with AI to accurately and timely diagnose, but also decide what's the next step in line for this patient's care journey, what is the optimal treatment.